got this luxury hotel-inspired scents, and I'm so excited about these because this sweated-in scent aromatherapy set includes 12 bottles of essential oils inspired by luxury hotels, bringing you a 5-star hotel fragrance experience at home or in the office or in a room. It instantly elevates the ambience, making you feel like you're in a luxury hotel or resort. And let's have a look at this. Wow, this is so cool. Look at these. I already feel the smell and this is amazing. And here you have a waterless diffuser, and what I like about it is that it has a portable design. It's directly vaporized essential oils without the need for water. It's rechargeable, cordless and portable, allowing you to enjoy fragrances anytime, anywhere. So this is a perfect choice both for home and travel. And the diffuser offers 2 spray modes, an intelligent intermittent spray cycle mode and a continuous uninterrupted mode. The smart mode is ideal for daily use, saving essential oils, while the continuous mode quickly purifies the air, perfect for occasions requiring rapid air quality improvement. This set are made from high-quality ingredients, offering a long-lasting and richly layered scents. Each oil is carefully blended to ensure stability and longevity, providing you with a lasting aromatic experience. It's a perfect gift, it's elegant and sophisticated. With its exquisite packaging and premium quality, it's a perfect for giving for friends, family or business partners, showcasing your taste and thoughtfulness.